Good morning, lovelies. How's everyone doing on this Wednesday? So today I went a little different. I'm not wearing any foundation. I just put a little bit of concealer under my eyes and to correct some of the redness around my nose. Other than that, I just have a little powder on. And then of course, blush and some highlighter. Being bold. So for my eye look today, my eyes are always watering. So for my eye look today, I used the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. And I really like the look. It's like this kind of cool pink, like soft but bold. So I used the colors, what is it? Call Me Gorge. I used Enamored. And I also used Heels On just to darken up that outer corner a little bit and for under the eye. And then for this inner corner, I used the highlighter palette. I used that pink just to give it a little bit of pop and a little shimmer. That's my look today. Pretty simple, you know. Oh, and then for my lips, I did, let's see, did I put the liner away? I did a dark liner. I did number 221 to line my lips before I put on number 02 Pink Club. And then I put just a little bit of that pink highlight again in the center. So just darkened it up a little bit, nothing too crazy. And that's my look for the today. So I just wanted to remind everyone to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you next time. Bye.